क्या पता था, ये भी कॉन्वर्सेशन कौन करता था?
How do you come out of it?
Nothing. Went to a GP, family GP. He gave medication for migraine, and that's that. There was no coming out of it. It was all coming out of it with experience and understanding and learning. It was all on us only to deal with shit and learn how to get out of it. That generation learned it that way. तो my parents didn't know. My parents अब ये लास्ट जैसे मैंने बोला ना इवॉल्व कर चुके हैं, तो अभी ये सब बातें होती हैं कि तू रोती थी, बहुत रोती थी. You know, obviously at that age when you're 15, 16 and you're, you know, you have nobody to confide in. You don't have parents who you can talk to because of their own limitations. यार उनकी भी conditioning. I can never, I think, point a finger at them and blame them. It's running down. तो वो अपनी conditioning से चलेंगे, हम लोग अपनी conditioning से चलेंगे, whatever is been passed on. Or the only difference is that this generation has, like I said, learned what to do and what not to do.
वो भी जनरलाइजेशन है. I don't think सबको हम एक साथ जेनजी में बकेट कर सकते हैं, बट अवेयरनेस कहाँ से पा रहे थे आप लोग?
एक्सपीरियंस से. ना घर पे थी सेक्स एजुकेशन, ना स्कूल में थी, कुछ एजुकेशन नहीं थी. और बात करने को डर लगता था, क्योंकि डर लगता था इन सेंस हेजिटेशन होती थी, क्योंकि नॉर्मल नहीं था बात करना. ऐसे टैबू टॉपिक वाज एनीथिंग दैट हैज गॉट टू डू विद योर इंटरनल बायोलॉजी एज अ वुमन, एज अ मैन, अबाउट प्राइवेट पार्ट्स, अबाउट बॉडी पार्ट्स, अबाउट जेनिटल्स, अबाउट टुडे लाइक if I speak about my daughter knows what a sanitary pad is and she knows what a period is. How? In an age appropriate way. She came to my bathroom and she opened my door and she saw whisper ka packet. So she asked me and I told her, you know, this is what happens. I mean, women, we have this time of the month where we, you know, basically all the toxic blood gets out of the body. So this is like an adult diaper. It's as simple as that. So she knows. And sometimes it's very uncomfortable. So I tell her, boss, I'm charming. Thoda sa, please. She knows this since she was 3.
वाह.
In the most age appropriate way.
भाई नो जजमेंट रे, मैं अम्मा नहीं है किसी की, तो मेरे को आइडिया भी नहीं है कि आप लोग के साथ बॉडी में क्या होता है फॉर द टाइम, और आप कैसे अपनी बच्ची को बताओगे ये बात. अच्छा किया.
आई थिंक ओवर टाइम हम लोग वो जो स्टार्टिंग में जिस तरीके से हम किसी चीज या किसी सवाल को रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं ना, अबाउट वेदर इट्स सेक्स और इट्स any biological process, I think that stays with a child.
The first
reaction, and that first reaction to normalize it. Tell her, boss, I'm charming. Thoda sa, please. She knows this since she was 3.
Wow.
In the most age appropriate way.
भाई नो जजमेंट रे, मैं अम्मा नहीं है किसी की, तो मेरे को आइडिया भी नहीं है कि आप लोग के साथ बॉडी में क्या होता है फॉर द टाइम, और आप कैसे अपनी बच्ची को बताओगे ये बात. अच्छा किया.
आई थिंक ओवर टाइम हम लोग वो जो स्टार्टिंग में जिस तरीके से हम किसी चीज या किसी सवाल को रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं ना, अबाउट वेदर इट्स सेक्स और इट्स any biological process, I think that stays with a child.
The
first reaction, and that first reaction to normalize it is so important. My daughter knows what a vulva is. She knows what a vagina is because that's all I've called it.
मेरे ख्याल से जितनी न्यू एज मदर्स देख रही हैं, प्लीज आप लोग बता दो हमको.
पता नहीं, people might judge यार.
People have judged Gautami. She came on our episode and there's a huge comment.
I read that.
She's doing what is appropriately understood by her. And कोई गाइड बुक है क्या अभी बताने का इन चीजों के बारे में बच्चों को, और कैसे बताने का? I don't know.
नहीं, but I'm saying who are we to judge their parenting now? I remember my mother just few weeks back she was here and she was telling me, I remember you getting very angry because I did not intimate you about periods. When meeting हुई, खत्म हुई, see off करने दरवाजे पे, this is after I got married. And we spoke about that in the meeting.
की?
मतलब generally, so how's it going? You know, what does your husband do? How generally you talk, right, about your partner and how's it going and blah 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 blah. And just seeing off, he just came like right on my face trying to kiss me.
What?
Yeah. If I tell you the name off record, you'll be like, and I literally had to push him back and say, what are you trying to do here?
And then?
I just barged out. It was literally at the door. He had come to see me off at his office cabin door.
अब बाकी लोग भी रहेंगे ना ऑफिस में?
नहीं, कोई नहीं था ना cabin में, हम लोग ही बात कर रहे थे ना. उसके office, big office. We were inside and outside was his floor. So we were inside and I opened the door and like I opened the door, I'm here and he's here saying bye, and he just advanced. What the fuck, dude? Like, stay off. And I'm like, what are you doing? That was my instant response. What are you doing? Don't you ever try that? And I walked off.
Thank you for saying that. But
only thing he needs to spend more time with you. He doesn't know you, right? I'm like, okay. And I started sensing something off. Yeah, ma, just till the film is over, ma. Only till the film is over. And I was like,
ये किस प्रकार की अरेंजमेंट है?
है ये इसी तरीके में कोड लैंग्वेज में बात हो रही थी, नॉट कमिंग टू द पॉइंट। तो ये ना 3-4 मिनट चलता रहा, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो डोंट वांट टू जंप द गन ना, कि मेरा assumption हो सकता है भाई गलत है, इनकी तरीका होगा बात करने का, मुझे क्या पता है क्या बोल रहा है। तो हार्ट ऑफ हार्ट्स डर था कि ओ शिट ये ना हो, और वो कॉन्वर्सेशन 3-4-5 मिनट चली, और फिर फाइनली तो मुझे उसको बोलना पड़ा कि 1 second सर, आर यू ट्राइंग टू टेल मी दैट सर वांट्स टू स्लीप विद मी? Literally in so many words I remember saying that. Sir, I'm sorry, you're knocking on the wrong door. I am not in for bartering myself in exchange for work. I will never forget my lines. I had told him, I am not okay. Whoever is, please cast them. I am not the one. If sir thinks I have the potential and I'm capable of doing a great job on the project, I will be game, sir.